Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Bentley Continental GTC and the Rolls Royce Dawn. We'll dive deep into what makes each of these ultra-luxury convertibles unique, examining their performance capabilities, the unparalleled luxury they offer, and their distinct driving experiences. Our goal is to help you understand which of these magnificent machines might be the better choice, depending on your personal preferences for open-top motoring. When it comes to raw power, the Bentley Continental GTC Speed, with its ultra-performance hybrid V8, delivers an impressive 771 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. This allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.2 seconds. The Rolls Royce Dawn, powered by a 6.6-liter twin-turbo V12, provides a robust 563 horsepower and 575 pound-feet of torque, reaching 60 miles per hour in about 4.3 seconds. Both offer effortless acceleration, but Bentley leans towards a sportier edge. Stepping inside, both the Bentley GTC and Rolls-Royce Dawn envelop occupants in supreme luxury. The Dawn showcases hand-stitched, butter-soft leather, real wood veneers, and signature rear-hinged doors for a grand entrance. It also features an 18-speaker bespoke audio system. The Bentley GTC counters with innovative seat comfort features, a stunning rotating display that hides its screen, and a powerful 2,200-watt name audio system. Both offer virtually limitless customization, ensuring a truly personal sanctuary. The driving experience truly differentiates these two. The Bentley Continental GTC, especially in speed trim, provides a more dynamic and engaging drive, feeling agile despite its size, thanks to advanced chassis systems. The Rolls-Royce Dawn, conversely, focuses on an unparalleled magic carpet ride, prioritizing serene comfort and effortless cruising. Price-wise, the Bentley GTC starts around $323,000, while the Rolls-Royce Dawn typically begins at about $359,000, reflecting their distinct philosophies of ultra-luxury motoring.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.